Hello. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up and mount your Arlo wire-free camera in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. To begin, open the Arlo app and make sure you're connected to your home network. From the Arlo app, select Add Device, Cameras, Pro, and then Pro 4. If you don't already have the free app, you can download it from the App Store and create an account. The Arlo app will help you to complete setup and guide you through the installation process. Now, follow the prompts in the app to connect to a 2.4 GHz network and enter your Wi-Fi credentials. If you don't have a 2.4 GHz network, you'll need to create one or contact your network administrator to enable it. Next, insert your camera's battery with the Arlo logo facing up. The LED light on the front of the camera will start to flash blue. Hold your camera approximately 10 to 15 centimeters away from the QR code displayed in the app. You will hear a chime from the camera once your QR code has been successfully scanned. The camera will automatically be found on the Arlo app. Give your camera a unique name to help identify it later. If your camera is not found, repeat the sync steps again until the blue light is flashing. Once your camera is set up, it will automatically look for updates. This can take a few minutes. If you have multiple cameras, you'll repeat the setup steps for each unit. Find a location to mount your camera outside your home or business with a clear vantage point. You'll also want to ensure that the location you select has a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. Check the signal strength here. A strong signal is indicated with a color bar reaching green on the far right. After you've found the ideal location, you'll want to install the mount. Attach the mount using the included mounting hardware. The kit includes a small screw spacer that ensures the mount fits tightly. Position the camera to take maximum advantage of Pro 4's 160-degree viewing angle. The magnetic mount allows for easy and convenient mounting in multiple locations, including mounting to a ceiling or under an awning for capturing that perfect angle. If you install the magnetic charging cable, place the extra wire in the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. This step is completely optional. A longer weather-resistant cable for outdoor usage is sold separately. The Arlo Pro 4's modular design makes it easy to change the battery without having to reposition the camera afterwards. Each camera comes with one battery, and additional batteries are sold separately. When your camera is mounted, select Continue and the app will prompt you to set up a free trial of Arlo SECURE. The Arlo app will guide you through the easy setup of your included Arlo SECURE trial. Arlo SECURE is a subscription-based service you can add to your Arlo cameras that provides cloud recording with 30-day video history, package detection, cloud activity zones, and more. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete. We hope you enjoy your new Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera.